Hi, welcome back. You are all aware of the most sold out books in the world is Harry Potter. Yes, it's Harry Potter. And Harry Potter is a book which has made a lot of world records in terms of the number of quantities the book was sold. And the author is J.K. Rowling. But let me tell you very frankly, what we see is the grand success of the author J.K. Rowling. But if we really look back in her past, we'll find the story is not about success, but story began with failure. Yes, unfortunately, the one of the best authors in the world and one of the richest person in the world is J.K. Rowling. When she started her career in her life, she had miserably failed in her personal life. Her partner left her and she was jobless for long, and finally she had realized that if at all she has to survive, then she must have the source of earning, and this is how she had realized about her own potential being a creative author, creative writer, and this is how the new chapter started in her life with this story of Harry Potter. And Harry Potter has made its own name in the history. And what critical attributes from this particular story of Harry Potter and the J.K. Rowling is that excellence is order of the day. A person reach to such an height where we always call that person having received the coveted, the peak of the mountain called excellence. And then today, in today's video, we are going to discuss about three secrets to achieve personal excellence. Of course, there are many, but today we are going to discuss about three critical main attributes of achieving personal excellence. Before we go further, let me tell you very frankly that all you need to do is please put up your comments in the comment box and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Well, my name is Suresh Shetty. I am a business transformation coach and I am an author of two books. All two books are #1 bestseller on Amazon. The Power of 9 Rules to Accelerate Growth. Blueprint for Business Leaders to Ask and Achieve. The second book, Stuck in Business, 5 Exponential Growth Hacks to Achieve 10x Profits. Yes, here goes the 3 secrets of achieving personal excellence. And the 3 secrets are positive self-talk, pride, and engagement. First is positive self-talk. You see, the people who have achieved personal excellence in their life, they always believe in talking to self in a very positive manner. They always try to explore the optimism. They always try to explore what is best for them. They never got into the negativity. And this positive self-talk always helped them to deliver the best. And this is how they reach to the height of personal excellence. The next is pride. Whatever you do in your work, in your job, in your business, if you carry the pride, it will always help you to deliver the best, and this is how the excellence will happen. And if the pride is missing, there is something wrong in terms of your delivery, in terms of the outcome, and finally the output, and the excellence will never happen. So remember, make it a point to see that you carry the pride in whatever you do, whether it's a job, it is employment, or your business. It is very essential. Then let's go to the last one, engagement. Engagement in terms of to what extent you are finding yourself engaged in your own assignment, in your own work, in your own job, and finally in your own business. If you are engaged fully, you will find the outcome. If you are not engaged fully, then there is going to be a challenge, because when individual get fully engaged in the job or in the business or in the career, there is always the reciprocation of the best outcome happening from that full engagement. So make sure that whatever job you do, whatever business that you are managing and running, see to yourself you get yourself engaged even in a small or tiny things. Need not be the always the grand and big things or large things, but even in small things also find yourself fully engaged. Your involvement is very much important, and therefore it is always said, how you do anything is how you do everything. There are people who strongly believe in delivering the excellence day in day out, and wherever they work, they always leave their the remark, they leave their the kind of level, and this is how, that is the aura of being excellent. So here we are going to take important takeaway from this particular discussion, that if at all you want to achieve excellence, make sure that you are the only person responsible to deliver the excellence. It's not your friend, it's not your relatives, it's not your neighbors, it's not your colleagues who will help you to achieve excellence, but journey starts from the self. So before we conclude, let's have a recap. 1, have a positive self-talk. 2nd, have a pride whatever you do. And 3rd, get yourself engaged. Hey, are you looking to achieve personal excellence in your life? Are you looking forward to achieve your personal excellence in your job or in your business? If you are a small businessman or if you are a small businesswoman, then I have a small appeal to you. Please visit my website www.sureshshetty.com and please fill up the Google form, and once you fill up the Google form, I would be able to give you 30 minutes discovery call. And what is going to happen in discovery call? You will get opportunity to get your relevant questions pertaining to how to become excellence addressed from me. I'll give you certain tools, I'll give you certain the templates, and I will also teach you certain habits of personal excellence, and that will help you to achieve personal excellence, and that will be a remarkable achievement for your job, for your career, and for your business. With this, I'm taking a pause here, and again I'm making appeal. Please subscribe to the channel, and of course your comments are also very significant for us. Your comments, your suggestions will help us to understand what you are looking at in our next videos. So till then, bye. Thank you.